tilling your vineyards and preparing them for the new season is now even easier. The special hydraulic system of this cutter ensures very fine work. The machine is used for pruning annuals, and thanks to the quick opening and closing of the basket around the boom, there are practically no loose shoots. The maintenance-free pressure accumulator cylinder guarantees continuous flawless operation, even after numerous working sessions. All in all, this machine is a pleasure to work with. I love you. Vermeer's powerful T1255 Commander 3 trencher provides all the power you need to dig large diameter pipe trenches in rocky ground. Being equipped with a Caterpillar engine with a power of 447 kilowatts, this powerful trencher allows you to lay trunk pipelines. Among the advantages of the equipment, we would like to emphasize maximum efficiency of digging in rocky soil with less wear due to the low speed, high torque engine with a splined main shaft, as well as longer chain life thanks to the carbide alloy lower pads and separately available upper boom rollers. The new RoboCut is based on a proven concept, innovation, and the most advanced technology to lead the market. The machine is rewarded with a 56 horsepower diesel engine, lower center of gravity, high slope capacity, and double safety arches. RoboCut provides maximum stability on any terrain, thanks to its ideal 50-50 weight distribution. The Green Cargo self-loading, self-propelled manure spreader is the brainchild of the Belgian company BAD. The design of the current auger emerged from experiments and now works well with manure containing longer straw. The loading auger provides a capacity of about 100 tons per hour, while the second auger is located above the spreader body and distributes the material in the hopper. The spreader is a standard Tornado 3 from Joskin. It has a 20-meter cubed loading area and two hydraulically driven 2.25-meter high, 1.01-meter diameter vertical spreading beaters. They have two movable spreading vanes located at the bottom. The articulated steering helps the machine remain maneuverable, while the steerable rear axle helps reduce damage to tires and turf in the field. This innovative machine from Afron is a high-performance medium-duty machine with double boom overhead capability. The unique design of this model provides the ability to do a skirting and vertical hedging in one pass, as well as a double top in one pass. No other machine on the market today has these capabilities. It easily handles hedges and sheets, both sides of the row in just one pass, which is a huge advantage. On the plus side, there are also variable speed rotating crosses, as well as the option of a T4 6-cylinder powertrain. And then there's this: the piston-mounted operator's cab has been improved for maximum comfort, ease of maintenance, and precise operation. Friends, just appreciate the dimensions of the carrot harvester from Verbruggen Mech. This technological monster will free you from the manual harvesting process by doing all the hard work for you. It's a top-class harvester with an elevator, which is quite interesting to watch. The machine digs into the ground, picks up the carrots by the leaves, and digs them out. As standard, the picking element has individual depth adjustment, so the likelihood of breaking long carrots is greatly reduced. The crop is then transferred to a special trailer, where the team of specialists manually processes the carrots and packs them for further transportation. The Nexset Revolution is the world's first integrated crop production system. It combines all stages of work that previously required a wide range of agricultural equipment into one single system. The focus is on the powerful, wide-format carrier machine with interchangeable implements that can perform tillage, seeding, crop protection, and harvesting tasks using modular attachments. Modules can be changed by one person in just 10 minutes, and the process will be fully automated in the near future. The Nexat generators are currently powered by two 550 horsepower diesel engines with independent electric drive. As each module is integrated, its weight is transferred to the vehicle and optimized, so that essentially becomes a self-propelled machine. This allows the attachment to be driven more precisely and with less slippage, significantly reducing fuel consumption and CO2 emissions. Let's mention the chain cutter EC 140 from Kemrock, which is designed for use on excavators with operating weight from 10 to 50 tons. Such equipment can be used for digging trenches and mining rocks with uniaxial compressive strength up to 100 megapascals, and also for mining soft rocks of medium hardness with compressive strength from 15 to 60 megapascals, where the use of drilling and blasting technology is not allowed. Such a machine performs its work with high precision. The technique works through a comprehensive cutting chain driven by the cutting heads of the cutter and automatically breaks the intermediate web between the cutting heads during milling. The main features of this chain cutter are the possibility to change the width of the cutting head, as well as low noise and vibration levels. The Sleipner E550 transport system is designed for excavators with lifting capacities from 401 to 565 tons. Sleipner cards allows you to move hydraulic excavators safely and faster. Speeds up to 6.2 miles per hour and save your undercarriage wear. It's easy to operate, just roll on the carts. Turn around, put the bucket on the truck bed and go. The system, by the way, is simple in every way, and is now being used in mining operations around the world and other environments where high mobility is essential also. This video was shot during training and commissioning with a Sleipner E550. Was used to hold a Komatsu model PC 5500. The K4 disc chain has a 6.3-inch disc spacing, thereby providing an overlapping area to cover more than 100% of the ground cover, even when working at shallow depths. With its sharp edges and smooth surface, this disc effectively transforms the outstanding weed-killing power of the CL2 disc chain into a lighter, less aggressive option. At the center of the K4 platform is a hook and eye system, to which the interchangeable paddle disc is bolted. The links are connected to form a disc chain, which is secured with a locking bolt. Links can be added or removed from the chain without the need for disassembly. The disc chain demonstrates excellent performance in moderate conditions, working quickly and at shallow depths. Simple and reliable was the formula for the trailer beet harvester with a 4-ton hopper, which can also be used for harvesting chicory and celery root crops. The great advantage of the trailed machine is its easy operation and maintenance-free design. The rooster can be used in combination with the F300 or FM300 for one-phase harvesting, or in combination with the BM300 for two-phase harvesting. The machine can be configured for row spacing width of 1.47 or 1.64 feet. If you grow beets, this is the machine for you. The features of this harvester speak for themselves. The Maxtron 620 has 490 horsepower, a tracked undercarriage and a rear steering head. The 6-row Maxtron 620 holds the title of the most maneuverable and soil-friendly beet harvester in the world. By improving the machine design, Cream has achieved gentle cleaning of the beet with sifting conveyors and spiral rollers across the entire width of the machine without constricting the product flow. The ProBerry 2021 is a trailed harvester that efficiently picks blueberries, blackcurrants, and blackberries. The machine uses a special system of shaking berries from the bush, slowing down their free fall to the catching system, and also removes dry leaves and branches with an intensive airflow. The main feature of the technique is the picking of only mature berries and protection from mechanical damage to the plants themselves and their crop. Reduces the percentage of damage to pluck berries due to the pneumatic cushion and technology of softball. Also, the harvested fruit can be delivered directly to the consumer without additional cleaning, which is also important. Be Sure has gone to great lengths to bring the MFT 240 firefighting combination truck into the world. As a result, it's equipped with a powerful, load-sensitive hydraulic system with an operating pressure of 250 bar. This is necessary to operate the 7.5-foot wide front mulcher. The machine is equipped with a Palfinger Epsilon crane with a 36-foot boom outreach and a tilting pivoting pole that keeps the crane level on steep slopes. The boom includes a fire hose for precision firefighting with a jet length of up to 196 feet. In addition, there are 3 more high-pressure hoses that firefighters can use simultaneously. Available with a 5,000 or 10,000-liter water tank. 2 11.5-ton Uniforce hydraulically powered winches are mounted in the rear. They have an hydraulically controlled unwinding device to facilitate cable unwinding and have pull speeds from 0 to 5 miles per hour. Now, you can turn your backhoe loader into a giant chainsaw. The CarMix 3500 TC Series Mobile all-wheel drive off-road concrete mixer is the latest model and further development of the 3.5 cube concrete mixer of the previous 3.5 TT version. However, it's characterized by innovative design and the latest technologies that help to produce concrete of almost any grade, even more efficiently. The main sphere of application of this equipment is the construction of infrastructure facilities, low-rise and cottage housing, concreting of energy and agro-industrial facilities, concreting of roads, pouring foundations, and floors of large production facilities. The panoramic view of the cab and aerodynamic profile of the design, as well as the latest concrete mate weight system and ProMix mix analysis system, makes the machine a perfect mobile off-road assistant. You're looking at the ZRN D96 cross seed drill. Cross sowing means that plants have the same growth conditions in all sowing rows. Sowing with a transfer seeder is carried out by periodically stopping and sowing across the direction. The test results are therefore not affected by the tramline edge effect. The tractor-mounted drill is equipped with an extendable frame with a hydraulically lifted coulter system. The seed is fed separately to each row. Via a store table, the cross-seed drill is automatically controlled from the tractor. Zern seed drills are designed according to the modular principle. The coulter system and other technical equipment is fully adapted to the needs and wishes of each individual customer. The difficult turf cutter exploded in the 80s, turning the harsh world of peat extraction into a technological marvel. Forget the ancient art of manual labor. This machine is a true wizard, cutting up to 11 tons of peat per hour as if by magic. Ready for variety with DIFCO. The impossible becomes a reality as a machine offers blades for every depth. From the light whisper of fine peat, the deep echo of black peat, and if a stumbling block gets in the way, the machine's protection system with its hydraulic shield and chain armor will go through it like a hot knife through butter. The DIFCO turf cutter is not just a machine, it's your personal ticket to the future of peat production. This harvester is based on the principle of a single system. It uses the continuous harvesting method, i.e., the trees are harvested continuously without pauses. For this purpose, the machine is equipped with a shaker, which also works continuously. A special electro-hydraulic mechanism controls the process. Thus, after this operation, the fruit does not fall to the ground, as a special umbrella helps in this process. From the machine side and from the umbrella, the fruit is extracted through a special seal installed on the central conveyor belt. The combine has a chassis with a high and controlled level of cross suspension, allowing for adaptation to more difficult areas. The operator can perform and control all machine functions from the cab. All working processes of the machine are performed electro-hydraulically. This is the new stair trencher model SGF 800. It represents a new drive concept that transmits an extremely high torque to the cutting tooth at a relatively low drive power. With it, you can mill cable ducts up to 12 inches wide and 32 inches deep in a short time. The trencher is suitable for cutting trenches of any requirements such as empty pipes, water pipes, power lines, fiber optic routes, or drainage. It really is the perfect machine for broadband extension, and yes, it works many times faster than any excavator. The cutting wheel is equipped with carbide bits with a round shaft that won't stop on rocks in the ground. Even in winter, when the ground freezes to a depth of up to 24 inches, this technique can be used without any problems. This HG 6800 horse auto shredder in the new TX series packs a high horsepower engine on a track machine with a compact design. The machine features a 950 horsepower engine in the 92,000 pound class and a feeder design built specifically for feeding large size material, whole trees, and large stumps. The feed roller can rise up to 50 inches, helping the machine chop logs or stumps that need to be rolled, and allowing the operator the flexibility to feed a variety of materials. The smart feed system monitors engine speed and adjusts the chopping speed for optimal performance of this machine. Well, now, you're looking at the self-propelled double-row cabbage harvester for industrial processing from Asa Lift. This modernized machine is equipped with the proven and durable feeding unit Griffin. Torpedoes guide the cabbage to the feeding bells, which then grab the grown product by the stem and guide it to the specially hardened cutting unit. Fast, convenient, simple, and most importantly reliable. How to be one step ahead in the agricultural business. Meet the Hollerus AS10, the master trimmer that redefines onion processing. This machine combines the dual power of blades for neat trimming and vibrating motors to precisely feed each onion head through a vibrating grid. What makes the AS10 unique is its ability to guarantee a clean cut without damage. Thanks to the clever design of the blades and grids, customizable to fit any size onion. Thanks to the easy change of vibrating grids, preparing onions from small seedlings to shallots becomes a simple and efficient task. At the same time, the Grimm line provides a continuous product feed to the AS10, increasing overall productivity. Come on. The crushing bucket BF 120.4 MB crusher is an attachment from the Italian company MB. This crusher bucket is mounted on excavators with a weight of more than 30 tons. This bucket is ideal for large-scale construction projects. Applications include eagle quarries and mines, tunnels and confined spaces, roadworks, pipe laying and demolition work. This equipment is the ideal accessory for large crushing projects. It's suitable for excavators from 30 to 45 tons and guarantees high crushing performance on large, urban and suburban construction sites. The Larrington Chaser is a 2-axle tipper truck. The basis of the machine is a strong frame, on which the all-metal body, made of a strong steel alloy, is installed. It doesn't allow the cargo to stick in the joints between the bottom and the sides, so the machine is quickly unloaded. If necessary, a folding awning can be installed on the body. The rear side of the semi-trailer is hydraulically open to 90 degrees, and the system of closing the side is simple and reliable. The standard equipment is equipped with flotation tires, which combine the advantages of agricultural and truck tires. They evenly distribute the pressure on the ground, preventing overcompaction. In addition, machines equipped with such tires are easier to drive on public roads. Solar panels and asphalt roads are a true symbiosis of technologies. Solar Roads is a two-in-one solution that is designed to solve many problems of new century technologies. And this is a really great idea, because such a project will turn ordinary asphalt roads into entire energy-generating transportation arteries. There are still some nuances in the use of such systems, but the pluses are much more. For example, energy from solar panels can be used to heat the roadbed in winter, and cooling by pumping water through the same pipe. In summer, they can charge passing electric cars wirelessly and wired and provide light indication of markings in the evening and at night. In addition, it could also be selling extra energy to cities and towns. Meet the VMM310 from SNPC Private Limited, the pioneer of fully automatic brick making. This machine is revolutionizing the industry by producing 12,000 bricks per hour on wheels like a car. The VMM310 stands for economy and ecology. It reduces labor and water consumption by a factor of 3, making the process not only fast but also sustainable. The bricks produced are 3 times stronger than conventional bricks, and the cost is reduced by 45%. With the flexibility to use mud, clay, or a mixture of clay and fly ash, the VMM310 adapts to any requirement, producing red clay and fly ash bricks. Not long ago in Hamburg, a Chemrock KDS-50 Diamond saw cut at Boeing 707, a piece of aviation history. This airplane was a Lufthansa highlight in 1960. And after 15 years of service as a scheduled airplane between Tokyo, Sao Paulo, and San Francisco, this Airbird was sent to Lufthansa in Hamburg. Since then, it's been used sparingly for educational purposes and on movie sets, and what can I say? The Diamond SAW did a great job at its primary task. Sawing an old Boeing left wing is not an easy task to test. The powerful KDS-50 attachment that was mounted on the telescopic handler. When it comes to tackling serious contamination, the Super 2000 on a Mercedes-Benz chassis is at the forefront. Have you ever wondered how you can clear clogged pipes or retrieve waste from the depths without huge effort and wasted time? The Super 2000 knows the answer. The technique features a unique water recycling system, so it reuses cleaned water, minimizing the need for constant refilling and reducing overall runtime. The telescopic boom gives you freedom of action, where other machines would have to give up. And the ability to continuously drain excess water ensures that work doesn't stop for a second. The Super 2000 not only cleans efficiently, it does so with time and resource efficiency in mind. Equipped with a new high-torque engine with an output of 100 kilowatts or 136 horsepower in accordance with the Euro 6 emission standard, the ABTP 470 all-terrain Vario transporter is ready for the widest range of agricultural work at any time of the year. The AB control concept offers a driver a constant overview of all important parameters, and in sweep mode provides simple control of all functions via the integrated gear lever. With the unique Vario gearbox, this ensures stepless, comfortable, and environmentally friendly operation. The VRG undercarriage is designed specifically for Valtris T2 34 series tractor model bodies. With this auxiliary blade, it's easy and economical to maintain roads all year round. Gravel roads are leveled in summer and snow. Ice and sleet are removed in winter. When designing the undercarriage, the focus was on simplicity, strength, and durability of construction. The use of the base blade is simplified as much as possible. This machinery has new types of floating blade functions and safety-enhancing functions, such as automatic, reverse, and adjustable blade release system. A work light, mirror, and blade angle indicator are standard, making it easy to use the base blade. In addition, the ground clearance of the volume undercarriage is so high that it allows the tractor to be universally used for other jobs as well. Kolmar's T10000 Modification FSCG is a specialized truck rail crane with 360 degrees slowing capability and a telescopic converter boom that allows it to operate in confined spaces that would otherwise be inaccessible to conventional truck rail cranes. This makes it particularly suitable for installing oil infrastructure such as gantries. The load capacity on rails is just over 12 tons, and a maximum capacity of 14 tons is achieved by extending the caterpillar tracks for additional stability. Maximum horizontal outreach is 49 feet. Yanmar has developed a diesel-powered, high-density rice seedling planting machine that utilizes patented autonomous driving technology for straight-line planting and autonomous operation. This technology is expected to simplify rice seedling planting operations and reduce operator fatigue. In linear mode, the machine moves forward autonomously in a straight line, and turns are made manually by the operator. In automatic mode, things work much more interestingly. The two modes allow for different types of work depending on the operator, skill level, and rice conditions. A 10.1-inch dust-proof and waterproof tablet displays information on working conditions and the machine's route with clear icons and illustrations to simplify operation. The Faymonville FloatMax is a multifunctional loader for glass transportation. The FloatMax 3-axle semi-trailer, equipped with a sophisticated fastening system, partially metallized as standard, guarantees a high level of loading safety when transporting heavy and high glass. The FloatMax loader is equipped with pneumatic suspension and independent suspension pivoting axles on balancers. For load-securing, FloatMax can optionally use one of the following systems: vertical and horizontal hydraulic and adjustable glass securing system for ANL frames, or the patented Faymonville Mecha push load securing system, horizontal hydro mechanically controlled for ANL frames. Watch this video where Lasso is responsible for the transportation of the underground metro cars in Lisbon. As one of the key players in the European special transportation market, Lasso Transportes SA is always looking for reliable and technologically advanced trailers to develop its business. To meet the challenges of transporting rail vehicles, Lasso uses 2 Multimax semi-trailers with rails built into the load platform and 6 durable crank axles, reducing the load height to just 29 inches. Both machines are equipped with a powerful hydraulic winch and special ramp arms for smooth loading and unloading processes. ASA Lifts PO series design set new standards for leaf harvesting. The open frame design minimizes soil and leaf accumulation, thereby reducing downtime and minimizing maintenance work. The double shaking system ensures optimal cleaning, even in difficult conditions. Soft pickup webs with a large D profile, combined with unique ASA Lift boomerang spring, ensures safe harvesting even in difficult conditions. Hydraulically driven nets transfer the leeks already in perfect position to the next conveyor. The basic models are designed for manual or hydraulic container filling or with a trolley elevator. Various options are available to adapt the machine to different conditions. Kerogen is well known for the machines that can trim trees into clumps over 400 inches high. And here is their new innovative machine that has been designed to clear driveways, streets, gardens, and parks where vegetation is obstructing passage. The machine can also be used in farming for pruning fruit trees and other plantations where there's adequate row spacing. The machine with its self-propelled energy crane is equipped with a remote control, which is incredibly cool. It helps to achieve the pruning goals economically and according to all the needs of the user. The Pitbull rake is a versatile tool, designed to move large volumes of material through the silo hopper. With minimal disturbance, the Pitbull rake can push and stack material into the hopper, thanks to its large push plate. With strong tines on the bottom and bale spears on each side, the rake also acts as a bucket, capable of carrying large volumes of material into the hopper. This makes it ideal for filling low spots or stacking material along the edge of the hopper. The high-visibility design allows operators to see where the tines are located, improving accuracy when cutting off protrusions as the hopper contours are formed. Its easy-to-use and flexible design makes it the best tool for filling and shaping your hopper. You see the Shell TGX 150 general-purpose rotary mower. With a 15-foot flexible wing, its 10-degree welded steel deck with a single dome makes the mower easy to clean, preventing water rust and debris buildup. An 80-degree pivot pinion provides smooth power transfer on tight turns. The best-in-class drive system utilizes Category 6 CVS for 540 RPM and Category 5s for 1000 RPM. The cutter drive itself utilizes self-adjusting friction clutches to protect your investment and consistently operate at peak performance. The unit is equipped with Schulte Super Suction blades with 6.5-inch blade overlap for maximum lift and grass cutting. In the world of road construction and maintenance, worker safety and contractor efficiency come first. This is where X-Cone enters the scene as a fully automatic traffic cone control system, offering a solution that meets both of these requirements. With a 7-inch illuminated touchscreen, drivers can easily adjust the spacing between cones, starting at approximately 32.8 feet and beyond, ensuring perfect placement. Furthermore, the X-Cone offers flexibility in use, allowing cones to be placed on either side and in any direction relative to traffic. This not only improves safety on the road, but also makes the process more efficient and less costly for contractors. In front of you is a folding topper for potatoes and carrots from Basilier. The 2X hydraulic home toppers with rear-mounted Sutu with 2 hydraulic hoses has 2 pneumatic wheels on the topper side, 120 horsepower gearbox, 1150 RPM rotary rotor, and a W25 PTO shaft. The manufacturer also awarded the machine with special reflectors in the rear and LED lighting for transportation on public roads. This folding top crusher has 8 working rows, which allows you to quickly and qualitatively process the land in just one pass. In addition, the technique is equipped with cup nozzles with compression rings. The right choice of grader is the key to its highly efficient operation. At least that's the opinion of FMG specialists, who have developed this machine in different modifications. depending on its size. The grater has 3 or 4 blades. They can be smooth blades or blades with carbide tips. As an additional equipment, the grater can be equipped with a hydraulic rear rig, which has 2 additional wings, controlled by a joystick, by the way. The joystick control allows the driver to adjust the speed and direction of the machine himself. Shake and collect pistachios in containers or in bulk with a twin DT4 shaker shake. Catch and swath almonds to minimize the need to sweep the area after work. This technique works best for orchards with at least 19 inches of trunk clearance. It's also suitable for young and mature trees that utilize a mechanical hedge. Some benefits of the twin T4 shaker include significantly reduced dust during harvest, inability to get dirt into the swamp, reduced harvesting costs, and reduced damage from the pesky ants and other insects. The company Argyle's Fruits has released its new model of machinery AF4. A platform designed for fruit picking. The machine has a 3-cylinder Lamborghini motor, which produces 25 horses of power. The machine also has a hydrostatic transmission, 2 speeds from 0 to 8.7 miles per hour. There's a parking brake system and a servo hydraulic drive system. The installation of a hydraulic elevator at the front and rear has not gone unnoticed. This 4-meter platform also has 2 working wheels, 2 directional side wheels with gangway and hydraulic level. And you can see for yourself just how efficient it is at picking fruit in the orchard with these features. Discover the master of mechanical weeding, the Taro tank holder with Chris Colt fingers. This innovative tool is designed for those who appreciate the beauty and health of their vegetable garden. Thanks to its special fingers, it ensures that the soil between plants is gently loosened, effectively reducing the number of weeds without harming your lettuces and other vegetable crops. It's not just a convenience, it's a revolution in plant care. Weeding is no longer a tedious chore, but a quick and pleasant process that gives you the satisfaction of working with the soil and taking care of your green corner. Installing fencing can seem like a heavy and unpleasant task, but what if I told you the secret to fully automating the process? Modern innovations make even what once seemed unbelievable possible. So it's time to look at fence installation from a whole new angle. The new CAT M320 THREF is a versatile, high-performance railroad wheeled excavator that gives you the ability to easily move from road to rail without sacrificing productivity. The M320 THREF railroad excavator allows you to expand your opportunities to new areas. The CAT C4.4 engine and powerful hydraulics allows you to move material with speed and precision. Flexible machine configurations and a variety of attachments allow you to customize the machine to meet your needs. The K-Tech 1233 stands out from other scrapers for its ability to turn the challenges of hard-to-reach construction sites into easy-to-solve tasks. With a 33 cubic yard capacity, this machine is a paradigm of innovative design that guarantees high productivity, even in the toughest conditions. The scraper's equipped with a rigid solid welded frame, so it offers superior durability when working with abrasive and hard materials. The specialized design minimizes ground pressure, allowing you to work in various environments with limited access without compromising on mobility and maneuverability. This is how the TSP-275 trailer loader works. From Asa Lift. This advanced machine does an impressive job harvesting sweet potatoes. The machine's soft plowshares lift the crop onto the picker belt, where hydraulic shakers remove the soil before the crop goes to the sorting table. For manual sorting, the combine is assembled with only the highest quality parts for long life reliability and low operating expenses. This is a Rabo Xylo Chip Model 200T branch shredder. This powerful equipment easily adapts to any tractor from 75 to 140 horsepower and does an excellent job of shredding all types of branches up to 7.8 inches thick. This equipment has adjustable speed feed rollers, which allows you to change the size of the shavings. At the output, the hopper folds up effortlessly, thanks to a mechanical winch, making it a compact machine for the transportation process. What is it we are seeing? The answer eludes us. But the attraction to an interesting spectacle is inexorable. One of the most common ways of handling hay is baling, which allows efficient transportation and storage of the agricultural products. One of the most ingenious ways of loading finished bales is provided by a special ballon boy loader, which is fed to a bale by side-sliding grippers. The loaded bales make contact with the ground but do not fall out. What can I tell you about the JCB model? Firstly, that it's a powerful load all-tail handler, equipped with the latest EcoMax engine, which has even won international awards. The machine has a large load capacity, high lift height, and reinforced hydraulics for maximum productivity, a real workhorse, so to speak. Take your construction and mining projects to the next level with a DB45 from Sleipner. This compact low-bed trailer is designed for those who do not recognize boundaries and obstacles. Designed to efficiently transport heavy equipment up to 45 tons over rough terrain, the DB45 guarantees mobility without limits. Its robustness and reliability will not let it down in extreme temperatures, which is why it has already been successfully used in the snowy forests of northern Finland. The CH series grader attachments are the ideal tool for the most demanding profiling tasks, from spreading stone to backfilling, and precision profiling of landscape projects, as well as maintaining access roads. This equipment is packed with powerful features that make it a great solution for well-maintained gravel roads. Features include a dual blade configuration and side panels with replaceable shoes. Amazon offers the Profile Hopper self-propelled mower of the 15 cab series, the absolutely reliable professional lawnmower in the high-performance class with maximum power. The Profile Hopper concept promises maximum performance and at the same time impresses with his incredibly compact design with a working width of 59 inches. The machine can be used in various ways for mowing, scarifying, mulching, or collecting leaves, horse manure, or other debris. Thanks to the high-quality equipped cab, the PH15 is optimally prepared for intensive use. The new Hurricane Ditcher 24 with 25-inch 4-blade impeller is a powerful helper in any preparatory construction work. The machine features durable T1 steel blades, hydraulic depth control, and telescopic axles. It features a capacity of 5 tons per minute with only 100 horsepower from a tractor. With a 140 horsepower tractor, up to 18 yards of dirt can be moved per minute, allowing the operator to clear a waterway 1,000 feet long, 30 feet wide, and up to 1 foot deep every 2.5 hours. This is just outstanding performance for a machine of this class. The GMR Hedge Tractor Mounted Mulcher is a great option for both the novice and the professional. The low design and hydraulic offset system allow you to drive the shredder under the trees if necessary, without snagging branches with the tractor cab. And what is most important, no surprises on the way will stop the work of the machine, because the special hammer design can shred even the smallest tree that appeared on the road. Moving large appliances thanks to specialty units already seems impressive. But what about moving an entire modular home in one piece? It's an idea that goes beyond the conventional understanding of moving and revolutionizes the concept of home comfort. As every year at the beginning of winter, Otto Gruber Maschinenbau is busy creating a cross-country ski course. Its snow cannons create artificial snow, which is then spread by manure spreader, distributed and prepared by a snow plow. The Gruber SM850 manure spreader is used here. Gruber's fine spreading system, which has already proven itself in spreading stable manure, is also good at spreading snow. And let me tell you, it's a pleasure to watch this workflow. Wouldn't you agree? The Green Go modular track system from Movex Innovation Incorporated traverses stairs with up to 40-degree inclines and carries up to half a ton of additional load. What's more, with a turning radius of 5.8 feet, it requires little room to move. The tracks can handle any surface. They cling to snow, mud, sand, or gravel. Various base models to meet customer needs can be supplemented with a 16-foot outreach jib crane, a lift table for lifting larger equipment, and a tipping trough for bulk materials and waste, among other features. Here is the new ELE mounted sprayer from Pellenc. It's a precision sprayer for vineyards for controlling spraying. The tank capacity can be 2,000 to 3,000 liters. With the double down pipes of this technique, the distance between the diffusers and the crown of the plant can be adjusted to maintain optimum spring quality, regardless of row spacing and plant growth density. Thanks to the pendulum suspension of the downpipes, the optimum spring distance is maintained from top to bottom regardless of side slope. So the ELE will be a reliable assistant in the care of your vineyards. When was the last time you saw something truly impressive in garage equipment? Let me introduce you to a jack elevator that not only makes life easier for the car enthusiast, but also makes you think about the limits of what is possible. Capable of lifting a car with ease and grace, this iron monster is rewriting the rules of the game.